Hello everybody, it's Stephen again, and here I am for the second video in this series. Today I thought I would do a very interesting subject on why I think that social trading is the future of investing and why many popular investors in recent years have outperformed their Wall Street counterparts. So I want to dive straight into it. So recently I saw a study from Etoro which stated that many popular investors had outperformed not only the S&P 500, but also the Nasdaq, which had a stormy year in 2020. The study also stated that people in the champion tier, which is the red star tier for eToro, had on average returned 44% for the year 2020. That really is quite staggering. So what I wanted to do is kind of delve into some of the reasons why I think that popular investors had outperformed. I think one of the main reasons is restrictions. So many hedge funds, as they're investing large amounts of capital from institutions, tend to kind of focus on very large stocks. I think that's because obviously there's a lot of liquidity, but I think there's also a lot of pressure, outside pressure from institutions, etc., for them to invest in kind of more safer, larger companies. This can have a drag on your returns, whereas I think popular investors are able to select and choose from a much wider array of stocks, commodities, forex, ETFs, and this allows them to be able to make larger, more outsized gains and take some more risks in certain cases. I think the second reason is I think that there's no fees involved, no management fees involved for popular investors, whereas for institutions and hedge funds, if you're investing in a hedge fund, for example, you're quite often going to pay 1 or 2% yearly management fees. And this can really kind of have a drag on your returns as a customer, as an investor. Whereas eToro doesn't charge these management fees. The only thing that you'll probably pay is obviously the spread when you're opening up a copy of obviously each stock that the popular investor invests in. I think the other thing is there's a lot of competition on the Etoro platform. So you've got a wide array of different popular investors that you can invest in. So you can really kind of shop around to find popular investors. I think the last reason is that popular investors on the Etoro platform can really kind of concentrate on their core thesis and their strategy for the year. Whereas I think that many hedge funds kind of get distracted from what their clients want, and they have to put specific stocks or instruments in that basket which they think they want rather than what they think will perform. So another reason why I think social investment is going to be big in the future and is the way forward for investing. And I think one of those reasons is that popular investors are able to build up a very close relationship with their copiers. In a way, they're almost building up a community. And with this community, this builds trust, reliability, and stability. I think one of the other popular things about eToro and the popular investor program is that many investors simply don't have a lot of time in their lives. Many people are still working, many people have family pressure, so they don't have time to do the due diligence, to do the work that it requires to be able to be successful in the stock market. And I think by investing in popular investors, this allows you to, if you already build up trust and conviction in that popular investor, this allows you to be able to invest in the market and make profits, but without taking up too much of your time. So all in all, I think the popular investor program is really great, and I think it's a great benefit for all the customers on the Etoro platform. Like anything, do your own research. Look at the different popular investors and the strategy that they can bring, and does that align with your overall goals and strategy? So trade and invest safely, and look forward to talking to you in the next video. If you have any comments, as usual, put them below and I'll be happy to answer any that you have. Have a nice day.